The upcoming fall 2025 release of the Air Force 3 Low Enigma Stone highlights a unique collaboration between Nigo, Levi's, and Nike. Priced at $150, the sneaker balances retro appeal and modern streetwear design. It features washed teal denim panels paired with muted suede overlays, distressed details, and faux-aged midsoles, clear nods to Nigo's deep appreciation for vintage denim. Meanwhile, bold accents such as oversized tongue logos, metallic force-laced dubraes, and Levi's Go branded pull tags stitched into the side deliver a contemporary edge. This mix of textures and heritage materials emphasizes how sneaker culture continues to merge fashion history with fresh innovation. By celebrating Levi's timeless fabric legacy alongside Nigo's vintage-driven aesthetic, the collaboration transforms a classic silhouette into a standout piece that blends tradition, nostalgia, and modern creativity in equal measure.